It is March 2nd, 2011. It's around 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and there was a pretty good wind warning in effect for our entire southwest coast here. Vancouver Islands, Southern Gulf Islands, but it didn't really hit us as hard as they said it would. There was 100k winds forecast, and it never really panned out here on the north end of the island at all. Our power never went out. It was more like breezy, you could say. There was some winds, but it wasn't as strong as they claimed it was going to be. So it's actually quite nice out here right now. It's kind of a mixed bag today. Had a little bit of rain. They were like spring showers, and then sun, and then a little bit more rain. So it was a sort of a mixed bag of weather here on Salt Spring Island today. It is absolutely beautiful out here. It's quite calm. Maybe a little bit of a breeze. But yeah, it's a really nice afternoon. The eucalyptus trees are moving a little bit up there. I think the full brunt of it was felt on the water, especially the eastern Gulf Islands, the outer Gulf Islands on the Georgia Strait. Looking over towards the mainland, those guys got hammered hard, I think, from the wind. We're pretty sheltered here on Salt Spring Island. We got a lot of other islands around us, except higher elevations, I'm sure probably got nailed pretty good. But here, can't complain. It's all good. And feeling a lot like spring right now. Spring is here in a couple of weeks, I guess, what, 18 days, something like that? It's spring. And I can't wait. I can't believe the deer actually ate my daffodils. You know, I pull in today from work, and I notice all my daffodils are gone, and the frickin' deer ate them all. Ugh, that pisses me off. Never had the deer ever eat my daffodils. So anyway, I'm in my upper garden right now, and that's what it looks like today on March 2nd, 2011, here on the north end of Salt Spring. And those are Fatsia japonica is what you see. Date palm. Beautiful blue sky. A little bit of a breeze. It's a good day.